It's Thursday night, and this means just one thing. It's Live Lounge. St. Luke's Sound live in the Bradford studio, supporting local bands and singers in and around the Yorkshire area. Get ready, here it comes.
It certainly does. Good evening and a very warm welcome. My name's Carl. This is the Live Lounge show on a Thursday evening, and we are live in the Bradford studio with Dark Wolf, ready to do their second song. First song, guys, got some great feedback on that. Sounded amazing. So, looking forward to the second track. Second track, what is it?
We're doing Jumpin' Jack Flash.
Jumpin' Jack Flash. Right, awesome. I'll leave it all to you. Enjoy. Fantastic. You are the first full band we've had in, so thank you very much.
Playing the very best music that's allowed on the air. Carl Mott live in the Bradford studio. This is St. Luke's Sound.